before I start, two things real quick. Mind the lips, I had a little bit of a slushie to drink right here. And number two is that, sorry about the background noise, something I can't really control. But what happened today was that I was at an air show. And well, I saw that the stadium was divided up into separate parts based on disability or comfort. If you were disabled, you would sit in the front, and depending on how much comfort you want, you would pay that much money. Like the least amount that you could pay is to sit in one of these seats, or you can pay a little bit more to have a shaded area, or pay even more to have an air-conditioned room all the way up there. And well, everything seemed perfectly fine. But in my 2 hours of sitting in the same seat, I realized that lots of different types of people came in. For example, to my right, there was just one person who was so interested in the mechanical aspect of it. He wanted to know how high can it go vertical, how much horsepower does it have, how fast is it, how many degree of a turn is it, and so on and so forth. And then a couple rows just behind me was a World War II veteran, and all he wanted to know was who was flying this plane and what war did this plane serve in, and so on and so forth. Then there were normal people like me who just came to see planes do crazy tricks in the air. So here is where my unique thought comes into play. Along with dividing the stadium up in comfort, and disability, why can't we also divide it up in interest? Like, we can still pay a little bit less to have this seat, pay a little bit more for that seat, and pay even more for that seat. But what if, like, this area is for people that are interested in the mechanical aspects, over there is for World War II veterans, and right up there in the front is for anyone who just came to see planes do crazy tricks. And then based on the section you're sitting in, they have a separate billboard almost that says that type of information, and they have their own commenter just letting them know all of this different kind of information. That way, you can pay for comfort or disability along with where your interests lie. What do you think about this unique thought? And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So if I could get my unique thought by just an air show, then you could too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!